friends. We're going to practice number writing today. And I know that we've done this before. And I want to also make sure that you get some practice with this just to make sure that when you're writing numbers, they're not flipped around or facing the other way. Because then sometimes they look like a different kind of number than what we intend them to look like. So we're going to practice today numbers 1 through 5. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I want you to use your whiteboard to practice first, and then we'll do them on paper. So 1 is one we really won't need that much practice with, but 1 is big line down. Okay, so remember, just practice starting over here in the corner where the smile would be, and then just 1 is big line down. Okay, so practice your 1 if you need to. If you don't need to practice 1, that's okay too. Okay, so I'm going to add my smile here, just so we know that's where the smile on a board would be, right? Okay, so here we go for 2. 2 is big curve, walk away with a little line. Okay, and it's always going to face this direction, like it's always going to face, like start at the smile and then head towards the middle. Okay, so picture that in your mind when you're making a 2. Big curve, walk away. Big curve, walk away. Big curve, walk away. Big curve, walk away. Okay, so fill your board with 2s. Pause me, fill your board with 2s, and then we'll practice our 3s. Okay, ready for 3? 3 is, start at the smile, little curve, pause, little curve. Okay, so one thing I want to show you what not to do in a 3 is you don't want to do this where you do a little curve and then you kind of go down and then do another curve, because that looks like something different. You want to, when you do your 3, make sure you just do a little curve, just pause, and then just do another little curve. So it has that point there in the middle. See how it has the point? This is what not to do, okay? So little curve, pause, little curve. And again, picture yourself starting at the smile and heading towards the middle for that one, okay? So little curve, pause, little curve. Little curve, pause, little curve. Little curve, pause, little curve. Okay, go ahead, pause me, practice your 3s, and then come on back and we'll do 4s. Let me erase this board too. Okay, let's do 4s now. 4, again, starts where the smile is. 4 is big line down, little line, little line down, little line over. What letter is this? Yeah, it's an L. So it's just making an L kind of up in the air, right? Little line down, little line over, and then you jump up to the top, cross it with a line. The jump is important in a 4. I often see people do something like this and then go back up and down. Now that takes a lot more time than just doing the jump. Little line down, little line over, jump, cross. Little line down, little line over, jump, cross. Okay? So make sure when you do a 4 that you're really doing that jump. Little line down, little line over, jump, cross. Little line down, little line over, jump, cross. Little line down, little line over, jump, cross. Okay? Okay, I think you've got it. So make sure you do that jump. Pause me. Practice your 4s. And then we'll do 5. Okay, here we go with 5. Start up here at the, Start up here at the smile. So for 5, it starts the same way as a 4. Little line down, little line over, then curve around, and then add a cap on it. Cap is just a little line. Okay, so again, start at the smile. So far, 1, 2, 3, and 4 all start at the smile. So you can always picture when you're making numbers that they would start at that smile, these numbers. So little line down, little line over, curve around, put a cap on it. Little line down, little line over, curve around, put a cap on it. Little line down, little line over, curve, put a cap on it. Okay, practice your 5s. 5 is one particularly that you want to make sure you have this as a straight line, and then it starts as a straight line and curves and the straight line. If your 5 is not straight lines, what does it look like? An S. 5 can so easily look like an S if it doesn't have these straight lines. They're so similar. And if you do a backwards 5, what does that look like? Could kind of look like a messy 2, right? A 2 looks like that. So if your 5 is backwards, it could look like a 2. 5 is one that you really want to be accurate with and be neat with. You want to be neat and accurate with all your numbers, but particularly 5 because it can look like different things if it's messy. Remember, no stylus writing. Okay, so we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can go ahead, pause me, and work on your number pack 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pages. Okay, so go ahead and remember your number packs are these. Let me find. They should be in your red math folder. Okay, and they're like this. 1, 2. Okay, so you're going to do these pages, but just do 1 through 5 today. Okay, go ahead and work on that. Do your neatest numbers today. See you later.